In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. If you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really does help out the channel. Now, while YouTube Premium offers great perks like ad-free viewing and offline downloads, if you no longer need it, here's exactly how you can cancel it. Begin by actually tapping the U button in the bottom right corner. This should look like your YouTube channel's profile picture, and you're going to want to do this in the YouTube app. In the top right corner, go ahead and select the bar to open up settings, and then scroll down a little bit until you see the option for purchases and memberships. Go ahead and click on that to open up this settings option, and what you're going to want to do is actually find YouTube Premium in this section. Go ahead and click on it, and then tap cancel on this screen. As you can see, it says renew for me right here. You'll want to go ahead and hit cancel. You will need to confirm again by tapping yes, cancel, but that's it. Your subscription to YouTube Premium is now going to be canceled. If you have any questions throughout this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe. Have a great day.